Okay, I'm gonna make this girl or boy a random just fidget pack. Like, I'm sure you guys have seen just Amazon fidget pack. I'm just gonna try to do something like that, but maybe with some better fidgets. We'll start with a square poppet. This poppet isn't the loudest, but it still feels really nice. Now I'm gonna give you an infinity cube. Now this tangle, just let me get it ready. I'm just gonna put that right over here. Now I'm gonna give you 2 monkey noodles, a pink and a green one. I'm just gonna put these maybe right here. I ended them putting them back here. Next, I'm gonna give you a puzzle ball. Next, I'm gonna give you a bike chain. And lastly, a rock ball. Hope you enjoy your fidget pack.